Hi everyone, it's Deborah. Now the fun begins. You're going to carefully weed your excess material, leaving only the image on the transfer. And then you're going to position it on your substrate with the carrier side facing up. You're going to heat press that for 5 seconds and hot peel. The hot peel is important. After you have cut a piece of foil that fits the image, you're going to heat press that on 300 degrees Fahrenheit and cold peel that. I use a cooling block, but you can also just shake the garment out. I also used 123 Flex to put a little headline or a little title at the top and a piece of foil for the heart. Here it is. It was a lot of fun. Try it. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and remember to hit the little bell button so you'll be notified of each new tutorial. Thanks again, everyone.